So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can write text messages on WhatsApp just by saying it. I'm not talking about the voice notes, I'm talking about the text, but just by saying it on your iPhone. Now in order to do it, simply open the settings, go to general, go to keyboard right there, option right there, and when you scroll down you'll see this option of enable dictation. Make sure this is enabled. Here now again, open WhatsApp, open any of the chat that you want to uh, uh, write a text message just by saying it, and here on the below right corner you'll notice a mic like option right there. Simply press it and say whatever you want. For example, if I say this is sample, notice that I have just said things and it has written in the text format. So by this method you can easily write anything on WhatsApp. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.